Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how you can download Alight Motion on PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser and in the search bar, type download Alight Motion PC and hit enter. You will see several websites, but make sure to choose the official one, which is alightmotion-pc.com. Look for the option that says Download Alight app for PC and click on it to start the download directly. Alternatively, you can also use the Microsoft Store. So, open it and search for Alight Motion. Once you find it, you can download it directly from the Microsoft Store. If you prefer downloading from the website, you can still do so by clicking on Download Alight app for PC. The download will start and soon you will have Alight Motion installed on your PC, ready to use for your creative projects. So that's basically how you can download Alight Motion on PC. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.